Good morning, students. Yesterday, uh, in last class I have given some electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. So I have given 3 reactions, and this will be number 4 reaction. This is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Already you have got in Halloween about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. When phenol reacts with methyl chloride or any alkyl halide in presence of catalyst AlCl3, then methyl group will be introduced in the benzene ring either in ortho position or in para position. This is 2-methyl phenol, this is 4-methyl phenol, side product will be HCl. Here para is major product because it is more stable. Since alkyl group, when you break it, CH3 will be plus, chlorine will be minus. This CH3 plus replace the H plus ion, and that is why it is one example of electrophilic substitution reaction. And since alkyl group is introduced in the benzene ring, that is why this reaction is also called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, because alkyl group is introduced in the ring. Actually, there are 2 types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation and one is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. When it is called acylation, when phenol reacts with, its IUPAC name is ethanoyl chloride, and it is also called acyl chloride. This group CH3CO, this group is called acyl group. Here CH3CO plus Cl minus in presence of AlCl3. This acyl group will be introduced in the benzene ring at ortho and para position. OH COCH3, OH COCH3, side product will be HCl. Here also para is the major product, and since CO group is present, so it belongs to ketone compound, and the name of this compound is 1,2. This will be 1, this will be 2, 2-hydroxyacetophenone. When benzene contains this group, the compound is called acetophenone, and that's why this is called 2-hydroxyacetophenone, and this is called 4-hydroxy because 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-hydroxyacetophenone. So both the products you will get, but para is the major product. And here COCH3, which is called acyl group is introduced in the benzene ring, and that is why the reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. So there are 2 Friedel-Crafts reaction, one is called alkylation and one is called acylation. When alkyl group is introduced, it is called alkylation, and when acyl group is introduced, it is called acylation. So these are about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Do you know what is the function of AlCl3? Actually, without AlCl3, the reaction do not take place. And if you want to know about it, AlCl3, it is present like this. It is like this. Aluminium contains 3 bonds. Single bond contains 2 electrons. Here 3 bond means 6 electrons. You know, central atom always should have 8 electrons, then it becomes stable. It has the deficiency of 2 electrons, and due to deficiency of 2 electrons, this type of molecule acts as Lewis acid, you know. So this molecule have electron deficiency, and that is why it has the tendency to take 2 electrons. That is why when it combines with CH3Cl, it will break this molecule like this, heterolytic breaking, and CH3 will be plus, and Cl, by taking 2 electrons from the bond, it becomes minus. So when chlorine is negative containing lone pair, this aluminium will take this lone pair and the chlorine will be joined with aluminium. Then it goes to AlCl4 minus. And what about the remaining part? CH3 plus. I mean chlorine will be joined with this Lewis acid. And this is the function of your catalyst, and this is the way how the electrophile is generated. And this CH3 plus will replace the H plus either at ortho position or at para position. And this type of reactions are called electrophilic substitution reaction. I have not given the mechanism of this reaction because already you have got in class 11 how to do the electrophilic substitution reaction. I mean the mechanism. Next reaction, number 5. It is called coupling reaction. Important reaction, coupling reaction. This reaction is also called the formation of dye. You can form dye by using this reaction. Benzene ring, and it contains N2 plus Cl minus, which is called benzene diazonium chloride. Already you have got this compound. How this compound is produced? When aniline reacts with nitrous acid, then diazonium salt is produced. When this diazonium chloride reacts with phenol, this is your phenol, benzene contain OH, and every carbon contain one hydrogen, you know. This hydrogen combines with this Cl, they produce HCl, and that will be the side product. And when they combine, they will combine like this. The benzene ring of diazonium salt, these are the nitrogen present in diazonium salt, and it will combine with the benzene ring of phenol. And this compound is a dye formation. Now orange dye you will get, and that's why the reaction is called formation of dye. And side product will be HCl. The reaction is also called coupling reaction because one molecule joined with another molecule. That's why the reaction is called coupling reaction. This is one of the important reaction, and in case of distinguishing purpose also you can do this reaction. When phenol reacts with diazonium salt, it produces a dye. Already I have told you that type of reaction you have to use for distinguishing purpose, which produce some color or which gives some precipitate. That type of reaction you have to use. So this reaction also you can use for distinguishing purpose for phenol. If the question asks how to distinguish alcohol and phenol, both contain OH, so then you can write phenol when reacts with diazonium salt, it produces orange dye, but alcohol cannot. Then you can write this reaction. And number 6, very important reaction, which is called Kolbe reaction. Kolbe's reaction. Kolbe is the name of scientist, and this type of reactions are very important, which are given according to the name of scientist. I mean the naming reaction is a very important. Kolbe reaction, when phenol reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of alkali like sodium hydroxide, some temperature is required, 400 Kelvin, then it produces salt which is called sodium salt of salicylic acid like this. And when you do hydrolysis, after hydrolysis it will convert to salicylic acid, OH, it becomes COOH. This reaction is called Kolbe reaction. When phenol reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of sodium hydroxide, then it produces salicylic acid, SALICYLIC, salicylic acid, and this reaction is called Kolbe reaction. This salicylic acid compound, it has also one use you can make one popular painkiller from this compound. The painkiller is aspirin, everyone knows about it. You can prepare aspirin from this salicylic acid, and that is the use of salicylic acid. So that I'll do in next class.